What is StreamSpace? First, we need to understand the basics of a traditional content delivery network. A CDN is a large group of servers used to send data to consumers in the same geographical region so that latency is low and quality is high. When you watch a video or play a game on the internet, it likely comes to you via cached data in a CDN. Today, a majority of internet traffic is served through CDNs. These CDNs are capital intensive, requiring massive data centers across the globe. They are costly to build and maintain, and many parts of the world are underserved. With the advent of media such as 4K+, AR, VR, and IoT, and the expansion of 5G connectivity, the current system needs to be continuously expanded, updated, and rebuilt. What if we could use the spare storage and bandwidth of our existing devices to deliver data to our neighbors and get paid for it? This distributed content delivery network would lead to a huge reduction in hardware costs and greatly increase performance, especially as data becomes more intensive. As an increasing number of devices cache and deliver data, the network becomes more effective and more efficient. This is the idea behind StreamSpace. We are capitalizing on the proliferation of high-capacity consumer devices and the availability of ever-increasing bandwidth. We utilize blockchain technology as the backbone of the network, creating an economy where nodes compete to deliver data most effectively. Following taxis and hotels, the next logical step in the sharing economy is in the digital space, through computing power, data storage, and network bandwidth. With new technologies like blockchain, we now have a way to track, optimize, and secure this robust solution.